I'm making my special cabbage soup. I got red, regular celery. I've got onion, shiitake, and delicious organic carrots. I think they're organic. They might not be. And then I got yellow potatoes and red potatoes. So we're gonna make this. It's gonna be delicious. Step one, wash it.
Funny, I thought it had a hole in the bottom of the cup.
Oh. I got so many potatoes. Oh my god. I don't really need to cut these small ones, but I'm going to cut them anyway. That's... I'm not the greatest cook in the world, but just want to get them cut so they cook easier. Alright, so these are ready to go. Now I'm going to put these into my big pot. Potatoes in. Whew. Looking good. Alright, next victim. Alright, let's just do them all. I might leave all this on because this is good stuff to eat. So we'll try that. Okay. The little pieces. Looking good. Here we go. Take this whole piece off of here. I like it to have it pretty good size. Alright. Here we go. I'm not going to use this whole thing. I'm going to use a lot of it though. Going into the pot. This is going to be good. That's everything. Right, it's going to be a lot. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to get some vegetable broth, put it in here, and bam, Bob's your uncle. Let's take a look and see what we got going here. Oh yeah. It's going to be good. Super healthy food for you right there. All right, so it's boiling. I'm going to bring it down to about 3.5 from high. Put this back on, but open a little bit so steam comes out. Let's get some oregano in there. I should put like fresh, but let's just hit it. Bam, organic. In my new pepper grinder. Check it out. Peppering her up. You never have enough pepper. Nothing like a little Morton's. Salt it up. Yummy. Get rid of that inflammation. A little turmeric. Oh yeah. All right, so we got her on simmer. The dude abides. Oh yeah, look at that. So some delicious soup. Oh yeah. Let's check it out. Well, that's good. That's really good. My glasses are getting steamed up. I think this is going to be a favorite tonight at the dinner table. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I make stuff like this. Peace out.